He gets out the car, the guy in the black car is still in the car, and then he, at that point, has nothing in his hand. So he goes back in his car. We think oh, it's done, but he comes back in his car with like a knife. You just hear like 4 shots.
Here's your shooter. He's cooperative. He got him with a knife is what he's reporting, okay?
Okay. Just the thing. Yep, I got you. You got it?
Where's the gun?
His knife, gun's in my pocket. There's one in the chamber.
Okay.
The knife that he was coming at me with, I know he tried to hide it when he stumbled back to his...
Caller reported that the vehicle ran over her son's leg.
BMW behind the Jeep. BMW behind the Jeep. Right there. Right there.
Sir, you need to stop.
3 copy.
Stop.
User continued information.
It's near the causeway, near the victim. Just has a minor abrasion to the knee. They said they're fine, but send the ambulance. I'll be out. Whoa. Oh my God. Hang on. He just tried to hit them again. Start the fire department.
Right.
He just tried to hit them again. Come out. Get out of the car. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
I want you to know the light was green with a turn arrow and she didn't go. And now she's getting out of the car to harass and take pictures of the license plate when she didn't go. We had the right of way because that arrow was green, just like that, and she didn't go. Oh no, don't worry. She's still right behind. So she's been following us the entire time, and she has pulled into the neighborhood that we have, and has stopped where we stopped. So,
are you one of their mothers?
But what's going on?
So they
honked at you because you weren't paying attention in traffic? Yeah.
No, you honked at me when the light turned green.
Because there was an arrow. You had the right of way to turn.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
It turned green like in 1 second. And then you guys honked at me, and then they continued to lay on the horn.
Because you fully went into park and sat there.
Okay, Can you turn that off, please?
No, I have the right to
She went
record.
up to my car recording me. So she has every right
But
to
you
record
continued to lay on the horn.
because you weren't going.
Right.
Honking the horn.
They stayed honking the
Okay.
horn at the light, and she did not let off of the horn whatsoever.
Because
Which
you weren't
gave me
moving.
intense anxiety. My legs literally are shaking right now still. Okay?
Then go about your day. Stop
Okay,
following
but-
kids. You're
but-
weird.
okay,
There's no
you
reason
guys,
to
you
follow.
guys,
Stop talking,
you guys,
just stop
you
talking.
guys.
Stop talking.
You
Okay.
can't be aggressive like that. That's called
It's not
road
aggressive.
rage.
Okay.
It is.
Stop
So
talking.
they honked the horns at you, and I understand it gave you anxiety.
Mhm.
But wouldn't that give you anxiety following them to an unknown location even more?
You're a parent.
Yeah,
So
but
I
you
think
didn't-
it's
you
an
didn't know.
admirable. I think it's an admirable thing
You didn't
to
know
come and be
who was going to
courageous.
be here.
Huh?
This conversation's done. So as far as I'm concerned, have a great
We'll
day.
probably see you guys in court. So.
Okay, sure. Good luck with that. Good luck with that because you're not
Have fun
gonna get
paying.
anywhere with it. There was nothing done illegally other than you following minors
They
to a place
probably
of
shouldn't
residence.
even have a driver's license.
Well, maybe you
We
shouldn't
passed
be
it for a
driving if you get
reason.
anxiety that easily. It could go both ways. Have a great day.
And shut the fuck up and get in your car! Goofy ass!
Car behind me gets cut off and is not happy. Out of state plates. I got their plate number. He signals, but he doesn't know what he's doing. Watch this chick.
Oh my god.
I thought she was gonna hit me.
The speed limit's 35. Shut the f up. Yeah? Fuck problem. I said the speed limit's 35. What the fuck is your problem?
Say something, mother. Do something.
Back the fuck up, bro.
Do it off.
Back the fuck up, bro. Back the fuck up.
What?
Back up.
Fuck what you got?
Back the fuck up, bro. You just assaulted me for no fucking reason. It's all on camera. It's all on camera. It's all on camera. Get the fuck in your truck. Your license plate and everything, bro.
Man.
Yeah? All right, we'll see.
You faggot.
You're. How old are you, bro? I'm 19 and you're pissed off.
Get out of here! Illegally. You have that? I'll show you something I really have. Get the.
I don't give a f you got a gun or not. You're not gonna do shit with it. You're not gonna shoot me.
What am I gonna do? I didn't say I was gonna do anything.
You literally came over and said you'll shoot me. I got you assaulting me. I got you assaulting me. Have fun when TPD sees it. Face.
You shut your faggot mouth, you stupid bitch. Wait for a cop to come in. We'll talk about.
Okay, I'll call the cops right now.
It's not worth it. Drive away. It's not worth it. You know it's not worth it. It's not worth it.
Okay.
I'll wait, pal.
Okay.
He's
half the reason the problem with all these stupid riding. I was going 35 miles an hour, which is the fucking speed limit. You have no reason to be riding my ass like that. You don't have turn signals. You don't have a light. I do have a light. So you want to see a light? That's not legal. That's, yeah, it's a light.
Go! Go! Wanna play this game? Wanna play this game? Wanna drive? I'll say something. I'm